Let's talk about BMW fault code P1186. This code refers to a malfunction in the oxygen O2 sensor heater control circuit for bank 1 sensor 2, the sensor located downstream of the catalytic converter. Understanding and fixing this issue is critical for your BMW's efficiency and performance. What does the O2 sensor do? The O2 sensor measures the oxygen levels in your exhaust gases, helping the engine adjust fuel-to-air ratios for optimal combustion. It has a built-in heater to reach operating temperature quickly, ensuring accurate readings. When the heater circuit fails, it triggers the P1186 fault code. You might notice symptoms like the check engine light turning on, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential rough idling or poor engine performance. Ignoring this issue can lead to long-term damage to your catalytic converter and emission system. To diagnose, you'll need an OBD2 scanner, a multimeter, in your vehicle's wiring diagram. First, plug in the OBD2 scanner to confirm the P1186 fault. Inspect the sensor's wiring for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose connections. Then, use a multimeter to check the heater circuit's resistance and compare it to your BMW specifications. For repairs, start by fixing any damaged wires with quality connectors. If the sensor itself is faulty, replace it. Ensure the engine is cool before removing the sensor. Use an O2 sensor socket and apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the new sensor. Finally, if the problem persists, inspect the ECU connection or consult a professional. Clear fault codes after repairs and retest. To avoid recurring issues, perform regular exhaust system inspections, use high-quality fuel, and address check engine lights promptly. By tackling P1186, you'll save on repairs and keep your BMW running efficiently. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.